Morning guys, welcome to Living Life Barefoot. I'm Mallory. It is about 7:30 in the morning and we just received a phone call from our local post office that our baby chicks have just arrived. So we're headed there to pick them up and we thought we would just share this video with you. Hello babies. Alright, we just got the baby chicks and we're at our local farm store. We got to get a few things for them.
Organic feed and some electrolyte stuff to put in their water.
Yep, so we're gonna get some organic feed here for now just to get them started, and then we are gonna look into a local feed mill and buy maybe in bulk.
Yeah.
Or
and especially they'll mix it however we want it mixed.
so we're gonna head on in.
That's how we left the kids at home.
What is it, Lucy? What is it? They're gonna look exactly like Penelope.
Yup. Lucy, what is that?
Can I hold them?
Of course.
Can I hold one?
They're probably thirsty. I'm gonna get them some water.
One little guy?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
No, what is it?
10,
Yep, that's okay.
11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
Oh, we're running. Someone can jump for us.
Welcome to your new home.
This was quick.
Maybe we can name him Flash.
Flash.
Yeah.
Flash. Oh, he's down to do parkour.
He's just water.
Oh,
It's okay. Well, gotta dip your beaks. Gotta dip your beak. Here you go. They're back in the camp.
Come on, chickies.
they're running away from the camera. You gotta go that way. Go this way. Hey, go. Go.
I'm grabbing all the little chickens and I'm dipping their beaks in the water just so they know where the water is so they can get a drink.
Yep.
Oh.
All right, Gavin, tell them the craziness last night in the storm.
So last night, me and my dad were outside watching the clouds just to make sure there's going to be no tornadoes. and me and him were right over there, and we heard a big bang. And we look over, and Penelope's palace was on its side.
Flipped right over, didn't it?
Yeah, it just flipped it right over. So we all came out here. It was still storming. And we all came out here and we flipped it over, and we thought it was going to be super heavy, but it wasn't too bad.
And luckily nothing broke.
Yeah, nothing.
And luckily Penelope was not in it.
Yeah, she was not in it. That's good.
She was in this little shelter we have here with the rest of the animals, I think.
Probably.
I'm sure that's where
I'm
she
pretty
was.
sure she
But yeah, we didn't get any damage. It was a crazy storm though, and it was pretty scary for a little bit.
Yeah, the
But-
power was out for
yeah.
like 2.5 hours.
Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was
Or
crazy.
longer than that, wasn't it, maybe?
It started at like 8:30, and it turned on at like 10:30.
Yeah. All right. We got so much water last night. So our trampolines didn't flip in the storm. Luckily, we did that before the storm hit.
So, if you have a puddle and you put a foot trampoline on the puddle, this is what happens. It's really fun for some reason. Especially if it's deep.
They're chirping.
Stop it, Jimmy!
Oh my gosh. That was so close.
No, Bear.
He was about in, wasn't he? Ah, we left the little door open.
No.
Holy moly.
Bear.
You a bad boy.
He was just checking it out. You better count him. Did he get any? I don't think he was in there.
No. Ralph is barking.
No, they're shifting. I know, let them don't you bite me.
Right.
We got everything set up. I think they're nice and happy and warm. Make sure you guys check out upcoming videos and watch us raise up these baby chicks.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a big part of our channel is raising these chicks and collecting eggs every day and kind of moving the chickens around the yard. They'll be in this brooder for 10 days to 2 weeks, and then we'll move them into a bigger enclosure and then onto the new chicken coop we bought. Just about lost yesterday.
Yeah, we told them about that already. That was crazy.
Yeah, the storm's been coming through, been insane. So, well, we got to wrap this up. We got a million projects going on today. We'll film those as well. You'll see. You'll come along for that ride as well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. We're getting close to the 2,000 mark. So close.
Oh.